Hello YouTubers, today I have an iPhone 6. This one has an issue with not being able to plug a charger port into it. You have to like force it, see it won't go in there easy. But you could force it in there. So I noticed that, I thought this would be a good YouTube video just because of what I found inside here. The phone does power up after I charge it up. Let me get it off screen for the customer's data. And we got password. And you can see we got like a bootleg screen because the screen doesn't go all the way through, or it's just damaged really bad, but you can see the Piscos. But if I press on it, the touch doesn't work down here. The one works, so down this pattern it doesn't work. You can see the screen is very broken. So if we open it up here, I'm going to switch to the microscope here. We open this up. And obviously not original Apple batteries plus probably. This is what's shocking to me. I've never seen this before. I think this is all caused by the aftermarket screen, but I don't see how. But this thing is burnt here. The whole speaker unit on the side. Let's see, let's go under a microscope here. You can see that thing is charred. And you can see the heat that it created from just on top of the screw. There's a screw just hanging out down here. So a person wanted a charging port put in assembly so they could collect the data off the phone. But I mean, look at this. This is melted up here. I've never seen nothing like that. And it came out of the screen, it looks like. So you must have got some water. I mean, this is just flaking apart. This is supposed to be... Look, it's like it's charred. I could almost start it on fire. This is pretty... Never seen that before. You can see the outline of how hot it got. This is on the back side of the screen. You can see that the screen... Alright, what we're going to do is I'm going to take out the battery real quick. Because I don't want this thing going up in smoke in front of me. So obviously water must have got into it at one point. Alright, I'm going to disconnect the screen. I mean, you can see the chip right off there just sitting off to the side like it popped off the board. It's kind of burnt up around that area too. Wow. Yeah, the chip is just sitting there. Wow. I've never seen that before. Worked on a lot of sixes. Alright, let's take a look at this screen. I mean, it's fried. There goes the charred mark on this side too. How would this happen? You know, this doesn't really make sense unless this phone was in a fire. But it doesn't smell like it. There goes the other screw that was missing off here. I mean, look at it. It's charred down here on the screen. That's where it melted the speaker. This is pretty interesting. And that come out of the screen. You got some corrosion right here on these caps up here. For the camera flex. And it's melted. The whole side of it is gone. Let's see if we can get that on a microscope. You can see it's all curved. And this just looks like it came out of the screen. So that's what you get for using backlight or fake LCD housings. Let's go back to the phone here. Don't believe that chip's gonna be anything for I mean, the chip is burnt up. I mean, there's nothing left of the pads on the chip. It's just fried. Look at the burn marks up on the aluminum here. That chip, it just... I mean, it's charred. Oh, we can see something. If I scrape it off, there's nothing left of it. You can see somewhat where the balls used to go. Alright, that I do not understand what occurred there. That fried that component, fried the other thing, the speaker unit. So it had to be the LCD screen. Any one of you guys know you ever came across a problem like this before? You know, burn mark here, here, obviously water damage here. Yeah, it, like burnt all the way up over here. The speaker, it like welded it, cut right through it. Where it disconnects, it was almost joining it together, the speaker and the side plastic here. Yeah. I mean, besides that, I don't think that should cause any issue to get the data. What I'm going to do is pop in another screen. I mean, everything looks clean around over here. But it did get water, obviously, because we got the water indicator that turned red. So I'm just going to throw in a test screen, original Apple screen. I do want to clean that up a little bit right there. I'm powered up. Yeah, it's a pretty smashed up screen, but it's one of my good test screens. Original Apple. So I'm gonna let this boot up. Alright, we're gonna see if touch works. Alright, so touch works everywhere. So it's just obviously a screen because it fried up or whatever. Of course, you guys gotta hear that, huh? Now it did just shut off on me. Did the little spinny wheel shut off on me. I'm gonna try plugging it in. I might have to mute this, you guys. And I'm getting no battery symbol or nothing. Hold on. Oh yeah. Alright, so the battery's dead. Now I'm getting battery symbol. There it goes, power's up. So the battery's no good in it. I wonder, that's kind of more or less, I think that's Batteries Plus what they use for their brand. Or they were using. But yeah, this is just crazy how the screen fried out. Alright, so I got the phone plugged in. I'm going to retrieve the data off of it for the customer. Make sure they get their data off here, but yeah, this is, I mean, it melted the connector over here. Obviously melted the plastic. That is crazy. So yeah, I don't know about making this a working phone, that's for sure. Just because of those components fried up off there. You probably won't even be able to get a trace under all those. That burnt pretty bad. I mean, it even shot off a resistor or capacitor right there. And the power cable, that's going to have problems. So it's not going to be a repairable phone. Not worth it. But at least we can get the customer's data. That's all that matters. If you guys ever came across, you know, the bootleg screens causing that much damage, you know, because due to water damage, obviously it did have water damage, decent amount of water damage, as you can see on the back of here. But to really fry stuff like that, I mean, it almost burnt the cable and everything on the one side over there. It's kind of like an antenna grounding cable. And that was just like basically nothing but ashes. And then melting that, the speaker and stuff like that. It's just pretty crazy. So, if you guys ever came across that, leave that in the comments. That'd be cool. And thanks for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Give this a thumbs up if you liked it. And thanks for watching. Yeah, if you guys came across that issue, leave it in the comments of any board, you know, phones, you know, melting stuff like that, especially by the speaker area from the LCD. But feel free to leave it in the comments. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.